Hi everybody, I bought some new things today and today we'll be looking at these two new products I bought for my PC. So one of the first things I thought was to get a webcam for some possible upcoming projects. It's the Logitech C920. It's widely recommended by everybody, so probably should be good, but we'll be doing some testing on it. Not very interesting, but it's nice to have. Secondly, what I just bought is, I'm not sure if this is really available anywhere in America, but it's a company called Trust. And this particular one has just come out this week, or maybe last week. Anyway, I got it today, one of the probably first people to get it. The microphone has been out for a while. It's called the Trust GXT EMITA PLUS. From what I found on YouTube in like German and Spanish, it sounded fairly decent, so I might give it a try, because the microphone itself has been out for a while in like a sort of table stand. But I didn't really want to do that because that takes quite a lot of space. So it comes with a boom arm. The package seems kind of small, so we'll see how big the boom arm is, and yeah, let's unpack this thing. The box feels very sturdy, and it's nice packaging. It's the GXT 252 Plus streaming microphone. And it comes in just about every language. Bit ridiculous, but I guess that works here in Europe. So far I must say it's packaged nicely. We'll see what's inside and see. Bloody hell, that's a lot of stickers or sellotape really. Is there any more? Well, that seems to be it. Building Champions. It's really well packed. Some nice soft foam. Some stickers if you care about that. There's some more gaming products. Wow. That's the microphone. I mean, I have fairly large hands, but I would say this is about, I don't know, 7 inches or so. It's somewhat small, but it's really heavy. And it is made out of metal. Just about all of it. You can probably see the... Well, you can't really get some light in here. No, it doesn't matter much. Very subtle logo. It says Trust Gaming. Yeah, it looks rather nice. Put that back where it came from for now. A desk lamp. This is one of the things I like. Like, it comes with an arm, and it seems like to extend quite a bit, so that's really rather nice, and it's adjustable in just about every different way. But what they did is they put the cable inside the frame, so that at least should take care of the cable flopping around and like doing it yourself afterwards. So we'll test that in a bit and we'll come back to that. And this, yes. This is the shock mount. And it opens like that. So you can put the microphone in. Yeah. Seems really good. Oh, it actually comes with the adapter on the boom arm. which is nice. I'll put that here for now. Oop. It comes with a different kind of ring adapter. I think that probably does that. I don't know. You can probably tell I'm new to this. Never really had a decent mic ever before. But that goes like that. If needed. Takes quite a while, but you'll get there in the end. It comes with a squishy pop filter. Comes with another desk stand. Comes with another USB cable. And this one is already fairly long that's attached. And it comes with another metal pop filter. So you get 2 pop filters. I kind of like the logo, it's not that intrusive. And if you wanted to, you probably can mark it out with like black Sharpie or something like that. It's all metal. Feels really sturdy, it makes some sounds, but yeah, must say so far I'm pleased. So let's get back to some noise testing, see how it sounds. So far it looks really good, and let's get to it. And I'm back again with the EMITA PLUS from Trust. This is quite possibly the microphone with the longest name ever. The full name is the Trust GXT 252 Plus EMITA PLUS streaming microphone. My god, that's a long name. Anywho, this is what it sounds like at 50%. And I'll up it slowly to 75%. I'll talk a bit quieter, really. You're watching some Battlefield Bad Company 2, still one of the best games in my opinion for, I don't know, the last decade or so. This is at 75%, this is what it sounds like. I'm still about 2 inches away from the monitor. And it comes standard installed at about 90%. I don't know why, it seems fairly high. But I'll put it towards that. And right now we're at 85, 90%. That's where we are now. I look at Audacity, that's what I'm recording this in, and it seems to almost be peaking if I talk slightly louder than I do right now. Anywho, that seems quite good still. But it does hopefully cancel out quite a lot of the background. Yeah, I'll put it to 100 and see what you think about that. I'll talk a bit quieter, more like at this level, because I don't want to blow your ears out. And we're at 90%. We're already peaking as I'm looking at the screen. It seems fairly loud still, but I don't know until I listen back on it. However, it does seem to be like quite a good microphone, but I'll put it back from here on in because I don't have to whisper. This ASMR stuff is a bit too much. And we're back at 80%. I think this is probably about right for if you want to talk a bit louder, but not too loud all the time, and don't want to blow anybody's ears out. Yeah, this is me playing Battlefield Bad Company 2. It's I'm testing out OBS. I'm all new to this. No idea how it works properly. As you see, the screen is cut off a bit, but I'll have to fix that for future things if I want to record it. I think I figured it out. It's just with 2 screens, it doesn't always come out the same way. But I think I found my way around it. It's just a bit of a learning curve. However, this microphone, the stand is very nice. It's shorter than most stands, but it's still quite flexible, and it still reaches about, I want to say, 50 centimeters or so, which is about 20 inches at least. And this is at my mouth level, so if I fully extend it now, and I'm not touching the mic, it's in the shock brake. Okay? Like now it's about, I want to say 30 inches almost away from where it's connected to my desk. I mean, I hope you didn't hear any popping. I'll slap a bit on some keys here and there, and I mean, this is mouse clicking. I don't know how much you get that in the background. I mean, my mouse is about 60 degrees off center behind my mic. So that, let's see, it barely shows up in Audacity, but if you can't hear it, it's probably about the same for keys. So there you go, end of the game, end of the review, and I'll hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe, and have a good one.